we also have virtually Carol Brown from Equipping Minds is coming in tomorrow to teach brain training games. And then we've got another one of our partners from up in the Twin Cities who do therapy type games, and they're coming on Thursday. But so these families are going to have some more quiet time between all the crazy time to be doing some interactive learning games and taught by professionals that have created these products or created these methods to help their kids learn better. So Kathleen, I'm so excited that you're here.
Well, I'm delighted that I can be part of this. This is such an honor to be part of it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So what we have, today's event, Brain Games is what it's called. And what we're doing with that is we're going to practice our math facts with card games.
Yeah.
So rather than, because you have to practice. You have to practice anything to get better, whether it's swimming or horseback riding or math. You need to practice it. Well, how do you practice math? You could do worksheets. Or you
not at camp. They're not allowed at camp.
No, and nobody wants to do that. Never mind at camp. It's not really something you want to do. You don't want to do worksheets. You don't want to do flashcards. So Dr. Cotter, who developed the games that we're going to be playing today, they're actually games to help the children practice what they've learned. So not knowing who's coming in with what, I have opportunities for the children to play fraction games, to play just simple addition games, to do multiplication games. Mm-hmm. I even have some games that we can use to practice your money skills. Mm-hmm. So again, it's not a worksheet. It's something that's fun. We can do it together. We can sit around the table and laugh and have fun and enjoy ourselves while learning. Yeah. And that's what we have here today. So I'm excited to see who we get and who wants to do what and how it works.
Yep. So we'll have 2 different time slots for that today for our campers, and then a whole lot of other things mixed in between. And so I'm excited for them to interact with you.